Okay, welcome everyone. If Vito was about discovering basically your vision, Oscar is about designing. So especially people who are starting their entrepreneurial journey do not know the traps or the challenges that they are going to face.
First of all, thank you very much for this workshop, which is amazing. You are amazing. Immense value.
And this is actually a first launch of the workshops. It's my first attempt to condense so much into so little time.